My name is Himanshu and I'm from Gurgaon. Recently, I'm placed at Nihon Cyber Defense with a good package, and I have completed my BTech from Punjab, and from a Craw Security, I have done some certification like CEH and APT. Okay, so if I talk about the Craw Security, it's a part of my college training. I'm searching about my summer internship. I found this organization, Craw Security, and when I visit this campus, and it is a very best campus for a security department. If I talk about my placement journey, I'm regularly attend a PD session and mock an interview where I gain a brief idea how to place a particular company like MNCs. The overall my interview experience was great. And if I talk about the faculty, the faculty is very nice, and they are fully supported in your curriculum and whatever you want to stuck in your life and in your academic problem. They are also helping that. The main thing is where I'm placed. The company is Neon Cyber Defense. It is a company that is work on globally. And there's several rounds, like I cracked the 5 rounds here, and all rounds has very difficult, and the companies and the faculty supported in every round, so how to crack and how to achieve the position you. Basically, the overall the gaining experience about this organization for my placement. It was the best department and it was the best organization. I'm highly recommended those person who want to start your career in cyber security and any security department like web penetration testing and networking, ethical hacking. So you must visit this organization. It was the best, and this is the fully supported organization for your academic curriculum, also for your placement department. There is one last message for those people who want to start your career in security. My recommendation is you start from basic. If you want to be a ethical hacker or a SOC analyst, so you start from a networking first, and Linux tools you must use, like you use Nmap and Sodan for the information gathering, and you use after the Bob shoot penetration testing. So these are used for that. So now thank you for everyone who support me for my academic and placement department for those. Thank you.